Hi everyone. So as we have already discussed about arithmetic operators and comparison operator in our previous videos, in this video I am going to discuss about logical operators which are present in Python. So what logical operator do is they use to combine the conditional statement and allowing us to perform operation based on multiple conditions. What does that mean? So let's first see some basic definition of these three operator, logical operator, and then we'll move on to our coding section. There you can easily understand what these operator will do. So what AND operator will do, it return true if our both conditions are true. Okay. And what about OR operator? OR operator will return true if one of the two conditions or three conditions will be true. It will return true, or else it will return false. Now what is not operator? Not operator just reverse the condition. Means if I am getting some true conditions, it will reverse it to any false condition, and if I am getting any false condition, it will reverse to a true condition. So let's move on to our coding section and see how these operator will work. Okay, so just we now we are on my PyCharm, and I'll just write what we are doing. We are going to do here logical operators. Okay, so in logical operator, firstly I'm going to show you how AND operator will work. Okay, so how AND operator will work now. So suppose we have a variable, and we have a variable called var, and we can give it a value of 12. Okay, so we have a variable named var, and we gave it a value of 12. Now if my var value is greater than 10 and var value will be smaller than 20. And also don't confuse between if and else condition statement right now, because I will be making a separate video by showing you how these conditional statement will work. Okay, so I only want to show you the functionality of this AND operator. Okay, so let's see here. If our variable value will be greater than 10, and if our variable will be value will be smaller than 20, then what it will print? It will print that var value is greater than 10 and smaller than 20. Okay. Now else print var value is lesser than 10 or greater than 20. Okay, okay, now as our var value is 12, and if you can see here what condition I am writing is if our var value is greater than 10. Okay, so you can see here our var value is, our variable value is 12, which is greater than 10. It means this condition is satisfied. And if you can see here our variable value must be below 20, and our variable value is 12. That means this condition is also satisfying. Now what this AND operator will do, if both the conditions are true, then it will return us true. It means this condition will print. Okay, so let's see, var value is greater than 10 and smaller than 20. That means it is true. Okay, now what if I just put it 9 here? So 9 is smaller than 10. 9 is smaller than 10. This means this condition is false. And sorry, 9 is smaller than 10, so this means this condition is false. And 9 is smaller than 20, that means this condition is true. One true condition we have and one false condition we have. So what AND operator, I already told you what AND operator will do is it will print false. Why? Because when we are using AND operator, if we want true, then both the condition needs to be true. If one of the condition will be false, then it will give us false. Okay, so now what it will print? It will print this statement. Okay, where value is lesser than 10 or greater than 20. And similarly, if I use 23 here, then 23 is greater than 10. It means this value is satisfying, and 23 is not smaller than 20. This means this condition is false. So again it will print our else statement. Okay, so where value is lesser than 10 or greater than 20. I hope you understand what AND operator is and how it works. Now we are moving on to OR operator. So if where is greater than 10 or where is smaller than 20, print true, else print false. Okay, so now we are going to see how OR operator will work. How OR operator will work. Okay, so as you can see here, we have given a condition here that if our var value is greater than 10 or var value is smaller than 20, then it will return us true, or else it will return us false. So what is our var value? It is 23. So our first condition is satisfying, that 23 is greater than 10. Okay, but our second condition is false, that 23 is greater than 20. But here we have write like 23 needs to be less than 20, then it will be true, or else it will false. So what OR operator will do, if my one of the two conditions will be true, then it will print true, or else it will print false. So what it will print now? It will print true. It will print true. As you can see that we have given a value of 23 to our variable, and our first condition is satisfying, that 23 is greater than 10, right? And second condition is not satisfying. So if one of the two condition is true, then OR operator will give you true. And if both the condition will be false, like suppose if our variable is smaller than 20 but greater than but also is smaller than 20, then it will return false. Okay, so that's how this OR operator will work. Now let's see NOT operator. NOT operator. In NOT operator, it will reverse a true condition if we give something. Let me give you an example. Here I am writing sunny equal to true. Okay, so if not sunny, it will print it is raining outside, or else it will print it is sunny outside. Okay, so let's see what it will print. You can guess. I already told you, if our condition is true, then it will give us any false condition. Okay, so you can guess on your end by pausing this video here. Now if I run this, I'll get it is sunny outside, because I have already given true condition to sunny. So if this is true, then what it will print? This will print and is else statement. And if I do it false, then what it will print? It is raining outside. If sunny is false, then it will be raining outside, and if sunny is true, it will be raining, it will be sunny outside. That's how NOT operator will work. Okay, so that's how our logical operators will work, and that's it for this video. In later videos we will discuss about assignment operator. There is only one operator in assignment that I have to discuss, and then we'll move on to our different topics. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.